This tutorial explains how to create or open a QA4LiDAR project and how to use the dashboard. When the software starts, you are presented with the options to create a new project or open an existing project. The folder pointed to should be the top level folder containing your LiDAR project data. If the user selects to create a new project, the project directory will be scanned, and this scanning process creates a catalog of all the files in the project directory, which is known as the QA4LiDAR project database. The scan determines things such as the data type, whether a file is a tile, what coordinate system a spatial file is from the file name and path if possible, and so on. If a QA4LiDAR project database already exists, at the new project location selected, the user can choose to overwrite or open the existing project. If the user chooses to overwrite, the existing QA4LiDAR project database, along with any QA results, will be deleted and replaced with the new scan results. When a project is opened, the dashboard project summary page appears. This summary provides the dataset path, the ArcGIS version, the file count and file size, which are pie charts of the number of files for each file type, and the file size for each file type. Then, whether there are any active sessions for the project. Currently there are none, but if there is an active automated check session, no QA can be concurrently performed. If there is an active visual check session, the user is able to go ahead with another visual check session. There are also last scan results. These show the total number of files and the total file size. If a rescan is performed, it will also display the number of removed files, the number of new files, and the number of changed DEM files. These numbers only include the supported data formats listed in the documentation. Other formats are ignored. The Rescan Project Directory button should be used if changes have been made to the directory. For example, if new data has been added or superseded data removed. An example of this would be a large project delivered in stages, or a subset of the project updated and resupplied by the provider. Rescanning a project identifies changes to the project directory and is quicker than overwriting and starting the QA4LiDAR project database from scratch. Then we have the QA4LiDAR status, which gives the software version, the ArcGIS license level, and the tile index, location, and name within the project data. Finally, there's an output section. Currently, it only links to the user manual as we haven't run any QA checks and generated any outputs. But once outputs are generated, there would be links to all of these listed here. Thank you for watching this QA4LiDAR tutorial. For further tutorials, please visit the QA4LiDAR YouTube channel.